Welcome back, IGCSE students. I want to talk to you today about deriving a line equation when you're given 2 points. Now, sometimes it's quite easy. The first one I'm going to do is 1a from your exercise. I've been given these 2 points, 0, 6, and the other point I have is 8, 10. Okay, now in this case it's quite easy because I've got this here. Now, if you think about that, that coordinate is here, right? 0, 6. Okay, and that means it's a y-intercept. So I know that my equation is going to be y equals mx plus 6. Right, so if you ever have a 0 in the x place for one of your points, you've got your y-intercept. Now, all I need to do is find the gradient. So m is equal to the delta y, change in y, over delta x, change in x. Now, in this case, I'm going to go 10 minus 6, that's my change in y. And then I've got to go 8 minus 0 here. If I start with 10 here, 10 minus 6 there, then I must start with the 8 here. Okay, so that gives me 4/8 or 1/2. So my equation of the line should be y is equal to, my m is 1/2, half x plus 6. So they're not all going to be that easy. I'll try one more similar one to this. I'm going to do number 1 g, and the 2 points that I've got here are 0, minus 10, and my other one is 5, minus 13. Okay, now again, I hope you notice that we've been given, whoops, that was meant to be a highlighter, that we've been given a y-intercept. Okay, so I know that I've got y equals mx minus 10, because this is an intercept. Now I just need to find my gradient. M is the change in y over the change in x, so I'm going to go minus 10 minus 13. This time I started with my minus 10, and I'm subtracting my minus 13. And then since I started with this 10, I'm going to do this. 0 minus 5. Now this gives me 3 over negative 5, which is negative 3/5. So my equation is y equals negative 3/5 x minus 10. Okay, but like I say, they're not all that easy. So let's try one from the second lot. 2a. This time I have 2, 3, and my other one is 6, 5. First step in these ones is find your gradient. M equals change in y over change in x, so it's going to be 5 minus 3. I started here. So with my x's, I'm going to start here. 6 minus 2. This gives me 2/4, which is equal to 1/2. Now, at this point, you want to use this equation here. Let me put it in green. Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So so y1 and x1 just are a pair of coordinates. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to go y minus my y1 is this one here, 3, equals m, which I know is 1/2 because I've just worked it out, into x minus my x1 value is this one here, 2. Now we start expanding this. I get half x minus 1. So I'm just expanding that bracket by timesing everything in it by half. Then I pull my minus 3 across by adding 3 to both sides, and I should get plus 2. So I should get y equals half x plus 2. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's try another one. Oops, I'm not quite sure I'm putting the arrow there. Okay, well, let's do one more. This will be 2h, which has got neg4, neg 6, and 4, negative 4. Again, there's no intercept here, so I'm just going to find my gradient first. And I'm going to do change in y over change in x. I'm going to start here with my minus 4. I'm going to go minus 4 minus 6. That means I've got to start my x's here. 4 minus 4. Now when I add this all up, I'm going to get 2 4 minus minus 6, yep, 2 over 8, which is equal to 1/4. Now, again, I'm going to use this formula here, y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. Learn that formula off by heart. It's important. So, y, whoops, I'll use my blue, y. Now, my minus y1, this will be my minus y1. Y minus minus 6 equals, now m is 1/4, into x minus, this must be my x1, minus 4. Now, that means I've got y plus 6, because a minus minus is plus, into 1/4 x. Now, a minus minus 4 is a plus 4, and if I times a plus 4 by 1/4, I get plus 1. Then I move everything across to one side. Got y equals 1/4 x plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5, and that's my final answer. So I've got, on ThinkWave, I've suggested the ones I would like you to try there. Let me know how you get on if you're having any problems particularly. All right, good luck, team.